What if your favorite AI tools, ChatGPT, Notion AI, Midjourney, AutoGPT, and more, could talk to each other, learn together, and make decisions as one smart system? That future is already happening. Welcome to the age of AI unification. In today's video, we're diving deep into a concept that's going to define AI innovation in 2025 and beyond: unification in artificial intelligence. What it is, why it matters, and how you can take advantage of it as a creator, entrepreneur, or tech enthusiast. Section 1. What is AI unification? AI unification refers to the merging of various AI systems, models, and capabilities into a single, interoperable framework. Instead of siloed tools working in isolation, unified AI allows them to exchange data, learn from one another, and act in harmony. Think of it like multiple musicians in an orchestra playing from the same sheet music. On-screen visual. Flowchart of separate AI systems connecting into one pipeline. This could mean combining natural language processing with computer vision, voice recognition with predictive analytics, or AI planning with real-time collaboration tools. Section 2. Why it matters in 2025. In 2025, the demand for seamless, real-time intelligent systems is exploding. Businesses don't just want smart tools, they want tools that work together without friction. Whether it's marketing, customer service, or product development, unification creates efficiency, clarity, and speed. Plus, it opens the door to something even more powerful: autonomous multi-agent systems, where different AI agents specialize in different tasks but work together like a dream team. Section 3. Key technologies driving unification. Multi-modal models like GPT 4.5 and Gemini that combine text, image, audio, and video understanding. API integrations and no-code platforms enabling AI-to-AI communication. Digital twins and collaborative agent ecosystems. Open-source libraries like LangChain, Autogen, and tools from Hugging Face. Section 4. Benefits for businesses and creators. Imagine creating content faster by syncing AI tools. ChatGPT writes, Midjourney illustrates, and Descript edits. Or, automate customer journeys where Notion AI handles planning, Zapier triggers emails, and ChatGPT manages support responses. Unified AI means less manual work, fewer tools to manage, and smarter results with less effort. Section 5. Real-world example: Adobe's Creative Cloud using Firefly, Sensei, and external AI plugins. Microsoft's Copilot connecting Excel, Word, Teams, and Outlook into a seamless AI assistant. Retail AI combining computer vision and NLP for smart inventory tracking. Section 6. Risks and challenges. With power comes responsibility. Unified AI systems require data governance, ethical safeguards, and transparency to prevent bias, misinformation, or unintended consequences. Also, overdependence on large ecosystems can lead to monopolies and platform lock-ins. Section 7. How you can leverage unified AI today. Start small. Use integrations between Notion, ChatGPT, Zapier, and Airtable. Explore agent-based workflows like AutoGPT for research and operations. Or, test out multimodal tools like Poe, Perplexity, or Claude for unified input-output workflows. Unification in AI is not just a trend, it's a transformational shift. As creators and innovators, our job is to stay informed, stay adaptable, and use these tools ethically and intelligently. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Which unified AI tools are you excited about? I'll see you in the next video, where we talk about the new AI every content creator must know.